Hey there, Sonic fans. Dante here, again with another figure review. This time I'm reviewing Shadow the Hedgehog from both the Sonic 3 movie and the other Shadow from the Sonic Prime, the TV series from Netflix. So I've been wanting to do these reviews for a while now. Um, and I don't think I've told you that my favorite character is Shadow. Yeah, this is way before Keanu voiced the character from Sonic 3. I know Shadow has always been my favorite since, I guess, since I first played the games, really. I know that his first appearance was Sonic Adventures 2. From what I heard, it's a massive hit, and it was a good game. A good game that came out in the early 2000s. And the Live and Learn song from Crush 40. That's the greatest song ever made. It's pretty good. Let's look at Shadow here from Sonic Prime. Of course, it's just the same model from how it looks like in the games too. It's this bow Scage maze. So it's the back of it. 13 points of articulation. There. In the series, you got, of course, Sonic, Knuckles, Gnarly Knuckles, Rusty Rose, of course. Now, I've seen bits and pieces of the first few episodes of Sonic Prime. Yeah, I mean, it's great. I haven't really gotten around to watching the whole series because of work, really. But yeah, so it shows what, 4 figures. That's good. Yeah, and the detailing on the figures pretty nice as well. And for Shadow from the Sonic 3 movie. And on this bike, it's really good too. I like the background as well. Yes, so it's Shadow Motorrad. Of course, I think like the other Shadow also has 13 points of articulation too. So yeah, I know that this one Shadow had like 22 points of articulation. It's more than this one and the other Shadow right next to this one. So yeah, nothing got I mean, just really nothing. So idle, really. Of course, face too. So yeah. Right now I'm just gonna crack these open now. Alright, so I got them out of the box and they're still in perfect condition. Yeah, just wanna go over the detailing of, well, the bike first. Let's put these back real quick. So yeah, so it's pretty good looking bike. You got the stick here to hold the whole bike. Yeah, it's pretty good. You got the pedals here that make him put his feet up. You get the handles here too. Yeah, so it's pretty good. Yeah, it's movable. I'll show you too later that how to put on him. So yeah, it's really good. They've done it perfectly. Wonder if it can also fit on my Tekken 8 Jin figure too. That's pretty good. Right? Give me 1 second. Alright, so let's go over the details and articulations of shadows. Both of them. Yeah, so shadow right here looks, pretty good. I mean, yeah, it's really amazing how it's the video game version, even though from the Sonic Prime show too. And you get, so he looks the same from the games. Of course, you got his red highlights on his hair and Spike's hair. Yes, it's pretty good. Yeah, so it's got some articulation, only 13 points of them. So yeah, it's pretty good. Range of motion, both of these. It's just so you know, it's only not much. He's got like one kind of open hand, but it's like a kind of a gripping hand. So yeah, and of course he's got his red shoes. And you rotate to the bottom of it. Looks really nice. So yeah, and his legs too. It's pretty sick. They go, up and down, even though they can rotate too. You can turn them around and have his go up, side to side, like these, and do a full split, just only like that, I think. Yeah, like that. Full high split kick right here. That's pretty good. Yeah, see, you get the arm swivel too with the legs as well. Swivel on the legs. This one too. And need I remind you, this is the same company that made Dragon Ball action figures back in the early 2000s, which I used to have, by the way, almost all of them. Yeah, it's pretty good. A second. Just wanted to check if his arm was coming off or not. That's pretty good. Yeah, in the face, it's a lot like from the games. I like how Jack's Pacific's, made, it's part of it's, the games. Yeah, the face, really. It's pretty neat. I like how he's got the rings on his arms and, of course, his legs, too. In case of emergency. It's pretty great. Alright. Now for this shadow right here. Yeah, so it's, I've reviewed this shadow before, say twice, even though it's the same articulation, really. I know he's a little loose because I just pulled him out of the box. So, like the other shadow that I have right here, same points of articulation, 13. So yeah, so, not really gonna do much articulation with him. So yeah, I got him this submachine gun, which he had in the game, his own game, Shadow the Hedgehog. Yeah, so it fits really well. Though he doesn't have a trigger finger that right here they could put in, and that's fine. It's still really nice. Yeah, so same articulation. Sometimes it can be kind of stiff just to move his, his arms and legs. Yeah, so it's really neat. I like how, because I know I got these both from Walmart online. So yeah, I just want to know the main difference between two shadows is that both of their heads, like this is like a larger, spiky head than this one. And of course, Shadow's shoes right here is way bigger than this shoes from the Sonic 3 movie. So you can really tell the difference that, you can really tell the difference, which ones, like, the game and both the movie right here. Real big difference. So yeah, it's pretty good though. Yeah, you have of course the gun here. See if I can try to put him on the bike. 1 second. Alright, so yep, so he looks really good on this bike right here. So yeah, it's pretty good. It did take me a moment just to put him on the bike. You know, sometimes it can be a bit frustrating when you try to put figures on, like, cars or motorbikes like this, so yeah, it's pretty good. It's still pretty amazing though. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. I would highly recommend getting both of these shadows. If you like, if you're a fan like I am of Shadow, or you just like Sonic and its characters too, yeah, I would definitely would recommend it. Find at Walmart, Target, if they have it. Just those, or other websites, Amazon, eBay. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. So, like, comment, subscribe to your friends. So, I'll see you in the next one.